Hello, today we will speak about diesel engine and today we will speak about the AKN engine. Okay, in addition to gasoline engines, we also have diesel engines. Now I want to show you one of these. If you have an Audi A4 1995-2000 model or Audi A6 C5 1997-2000 model, then you have such a diesel engine with a volume of 2.5. This is a 6-cylinder diesel engine with the name AKN. This engine is from Audi A6 C5 1997-2000 model. We also have a 6-speed manual transmission. We sell an engine assembly with a turbine and the diesel equipment, and the diesel injectors are also included. This is how we sell the engine. Are you interested in this engine? Write me a message and I will give you feedback. Okay, see you later.